What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to use the food preparation table and the oven in Valheim to make some OP food to give you the most health and most stamina possible so you can, continue your journey throughout this huge world. So the food preparation table, I have it right here. In order to place it down, you need 5 iron, 20 fine wood, 15 leather scraps, and a workbench. So you get this one pretty early in the game. Once you have iron, you can pretty much put it down. And as you can see, I have some things to make an uncooked meat platter here. So anything uncooked, unbaked, you got to throw it in the oven after. In the oven, you need to have cleared motor from the mountains to get the dragon's tears to be able to make the artisan table. But I'll show you that later. So you see uncooked stuffed mushroom, uncooked mist hair supreme. There's some ingredients there I'm missing. This one is not an oven dish, but these ones are. And you can see 75 health, 24 stamina, pretty solid. 80 health, 26 stamina. So this is as good as serpent stew, even though you don't need to go out in the ocean and kill serpents. All you need is one seeker meat, one lox meat, and one hare meat, and you can make this. So this one's pretty OP. I want to make 5 of these, so I hold shift to make 5. Um, then I'll show you what it's like to throw it in the oven after. Alright, so I got 10 of them, and I'll go over to the room where we have our oven here, and you'll see it needs to be near the artisan table. So if I go and hover over the oven itself, it's under crafting. It needs 4 certling cores, 20 stone, 15 iron, but it needs to be near the artisan table, which is right there. And the artisan table, if I go under crafting again, where is the artisan table? Right here. So it needs 2 dragon tears, and those are the boss drop from Moder. So Moder is the dragon in the mountains, the ice dragon. So that's basically, you need to be past Moder to be able to use the oven and get this OP food. So once you have it, you can just go up to it, press E, you bake the items, you can walk away from it, and it makes a similar noise to like the cooking rack. When the meat's done cooking, it'll go like a tss, and then you'll know it's done. So yeah, I'll do a jump cut when it's done, and then we can try it out, get the health boost from it, and yeah. Alright, so there was the animation there that it's done. There's more smoke coming out of the oven. Don't forget to add wood on the bottom here to fuel it. So you can grab the meat platter, and I think I've placed some bread in there. Good. So I did want to place the bread. Yeah, while I was doing the jump cut, I went back to the food preparation table and I made some bread dough. Basically, it costs, I think, 10 barley flour per 4 bread dough or something like that. We can go check while that's baking. Um, but yeah, that's another thing. So bread dough, 10 barley flour for 2. So yeah, you get barley flour by farming barley, and just like that, you can make a stamina food in the oven like that with the food preparation table. So yeah, this one's 80-26. If I eat that, check out how much my health bar boosts. That's huge. And then once this one's done, I'll show you the stamina boost real quick. Okay, that one was quick. So 2 breads done, and check out the huge stamina boost like that. So that is how you get some OP food using the preparation table and the oven together in Valheim without needing too crazy of ingredients. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.